got it, got it, got it, got it. Uh, how can I like? Okay. Uh, so yeah, um,
Oh,
that's how our system sounds during our personal live performance. So we are maybe you know we are two musicians like Low Wave and Splinter Ray,
yeah.
and we are using the system during our live for the last year, I think. Yeah, around
Maybe 3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't remember actually. So yeah, and we like how it sounds on this material, but it depends on material. We love how it, you know, how it like we like bright tops. We like a lot of subs. We like to compress it a lot. We like a lot of saturation in the signal to make it glued together and stuff like that. But we'll listen another how it works with other kind of stuff, you know, in a few minutes or 10 minutes or so. But first of all, maybe as you know, we are aircraft designs. We two guys, actually four guys from Ukraine,
Yeah.
and we um, started to make our own stuff like 3 years ago. Yeah,
Yeah.
when we met in Lviv, actually, in Lviv, Ukraine. I mean, and why we started doing this, all of this stuff, all these modules, because we was and still maybe partly like modular guys. We previously also played our life from like 2 row, 6 row, 104 HP and stuff like that. And the problem was that we had no devices to bring our sound of our life to the next level. I don't know how to say it. To make it sound better, I mean. And the whole idea was to do some stuff to cover that area, because there was at the moment there was no such a thing like really high quality, we say compressor, like saturation unit, and still no saturation unit in Eurorack suitable for like mix bus or something like that. I mean, controlled and clear and low noise and stuff like that. And also we have like we didn't see Pultec EQ in the Eurorack format for that moment. And yeah. We decided to build our system, which covers like basic needs to uh, step up. I don't know how push the limit of the sound, and this system suitable not only for modular stuff, but also for, as you can see, for line level, for your groove boxes, sound cards, so you can like master your tracks from your computer, from Premaster, and
Eurorack system.
yeah, and
if you have some
also and the
models.
rack system as well. If you have like huge rack and you want to make it sound better. So yeah, let's start from the general overview. Right here we have like utility modules, as you can see. So this one is low noise power, Eurorack power, and we make it like in 500 series. What it means? It means that we have
Very low noise power. Jak?
nanovolt hertz.
Nanovolt hertz. Yes.
I mean, how much?
15.
Yeah, 50 nanovolt per hertz. So as this is a requirement for the 500 series,
Yes.
and we achieved that in Eurorack. And also line input and balanced
Yeah.
line input and balanced line output modules as well. Low noise, of course. And we have three crucial thing, like main thing in this system, like Horizon discrete program equalizer, Cascade discrete VCA compressor, and Ember, which already in the Schneidersladen store. And
First version we named mid-side.
mid-side saturation unit, and you can actually check it right there. This one is the first version, and we upgraded a bit,
Yes.
yeah, inside. But anyway, let's start from left to right, and I'll describe what's inside. I mean hardware and also function which we can see. Could you please start some loops or something? Yeah, so as I said, this one is Horizon, a discrete program equalizer, and what it means that we love Poltech unit.
Yeah.
I mean AQ, and we was inspired by this during the developing of this module, development process of this module, development process. So what do we have here? We have here low boost, separate low boost and low cut, and high boost and high frequency attenuation as well. And of course we can switch some frequencies. And you have right here, you have Q factor for the high frequency boost. But we decided to make it more suitable to modern world and upgrade it a bit and push it further. But how, yeah? We decided to put discrete op-amps and input and output stage, and by input discrete op-amps we achieve a really low noise for the passive Poltech EQ scheme, and as for the output discrete op-amp for warmth, and we make it with some harmonics which starts from 0 dB and above. And we decided to get rid of inductors. Actually, it's like coils with something.
Yes,
I don't know. I'm a designer. Sorry.
It's very important. If you have inductor coils, we have
hum noise. Yeah.
We have a lot of problem with ground, with weight.
Yeah. Yeah, and stuff like that. And we decided to develop flying generators, it's called.
Yes.
And of course, on the market we have something like other devices which have generators, really expensive actually, and it's like silicon emulation of the of inductor behavior. And what separates us from these devices, they can't achieve, they can't work with the passive scheme, yeah? As I understood. Yeah, they can work with the passive scheme, and they can build another EQ, but not the Poltech. So yeah, And I think it's like, maybe you correct me, but this is like unique feature and it doesn't exist for now.
Yes, yes.
It exists, but only in this module.
In this circuit,
yeah, in this
because Pultec is a very famous EQ, and a lot of people use Pultec EQ in master
or for mixing, yeah.
Yes.
Anyway, let's hear how it sounds on this loop, yeah?
Okay.
So, we have like junglish loop, yeah? And let's hear some frequencies. Oh, sorry, it's in bypass mode. Actually, all the modules have this in button. It means if it lit, it like in active state, and right now it's bypassed. So sorry.
Sorry. Oh, a lot. Okay.
Okay. So low frequencies. I also want to push it to the limit just to hear how it sounds at max settings. And maybe let's cut some low frequency signal with this Pultec trick. And let's compare. Okay. Maybe it's too much, but so I can decrease the signal. And let's switch our attention to the high frequency boost section. So I don't know what's the issue with the
Sorry, one moment.
playbacks. So
Okay.
So what we also achieved by these flying generators, I mean emulation of inductor scheme, it still sounds really good with even with a lot of boosts in specific frequencies. So let's hear that as well. So right now it's like at 0, and let's start from 3K. You can also add a top end if your signal like in 44 kilohertz or stuff like that, so you can also use it for the restoration. Sorry. And of course you can attenuate the signal. So maybe let's find some suitable settings for this loop. I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, let's wait.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay. So let's push lows a bit and also make it brighter maybe, or maybe let's work with the mid-range, I don't know. And let's compare. As I always like to say, it's like maybe a subtool for this stuff, because this loop don't really need too extreme settings, I mean, but it's there. I also want to notice that during the presentation I always keep the level, input and output level of the device, I mean bypass and active stage at the same peak level, so you can clearly hear the difference without being fooled by loudness, I mean. Yeah, so let's listen. The next unit is Cascade compressor, discrete VCA compressor, and we also put discrete op-amps on input and output stage, and in between we decided to build our own custom VCA circuit, discrete VCA circuit, instead of using like well-known TED chips, I mean VCA chips or stuff like that. So once again, what we achieved by that, we achieved our specific glue, coloration, etc., how we called it. And of course, this VCA should work with really low level signal, and that's why we once again using our op-amps to make it to achieve low noise, make it clearer, and make it a bit brighter, maybe, yeah, with a bit of saturation. So, first of all, it's inspired, as you can see from the settings, it's inspired by SSLG bus compressor. That's not.
It's not unique.
Yeah, that's not like unique in general, but as for the hardware, we decided totally remake all the things, you know, and build based on this, build our own sound, and it works perfectly on master bus, of course, because of glued and quick response. Yeah, so let's and by this you can also use it as a limiter, kinda limiter, and maybe you heard it previously during like when we played the stuff that we used really quick attack and release settings. Maybe we had some distortion in the signal because of that, because it's really extreme quick on the ratio 10 and like gain reduction about minus 6 decibels. But anyway, let's and of course on master bus it usually have another settings like attack, max attack, short release, you know, like 4 ratio and stuff like that. Anyway, let's hear how it sounds. Yeah, so let's engage and some signal right here. So right now it's like bypassed. Let's add some compression and let's compensate it makeup gain, and then I can blend dry and wet signal as well by this knob. It's pretty extreme, like once again 5-6 dB is maybe too much for I don't know, not for everyone. And let's compare both modules, how it works. Once again, we have the same peak level. Maybe a little less of threshold. And also we have this sidechain high pass filter to get rid of low frequency influence to compression. It's like a standard thing, and we also decided to add it. So we have like 3 options right here. once again. It's hard to hear the difference actually with this sound system, and it would be better to use it like direct to you, but anyway. Let's use pretty extreme settings, like 10, like attack release at min, yeah, and maybe like this. Let's push it to the limit. And once again. And maybe let's blend the signals. So what we achieved by that? We of course, we reduce the dynamic range of the signal and make it a bit squashy, a bit louder, maybe a bit polished at the same time. Yeah. Yeah, that's all. I think that's all about the compression. About the compressor unit, we also have external sidechain, but right now it's not necessary to review the thing. It means that compression gives the source signal not from the input signal, but with external signal like kick to make it pump or stuff like that. Actually, on master bus it's like not so important, but anyway we decided to add this to all of these people who want to just squash the maybe drum bass or synths to the kick drum. Like, why not? And the last thing is this Ember analog stereo saturation module, and yeah, right here we have once again dry wet to blend the dry and wet signal. We have input level because our saturation circuit linked to the input signal. It it depends how much harmonics you'll generate add to signal, and it linked to the input level. So we recommend to use all of this stuff at around +6. So let's decrease this level. And of course we have saturation, and we decided to separate controls for adding odd and even harmonics. So you can blend this in whatever proportion you want. So by this knob you can add only odd harmonics, and by this only even. And crucial part of this module is that X-over knob. What it does, it like separates your lows from the saturation, and it means that you can saturate only signal above some specific frequency, like above 100 GHz or 200 GHz or stuff like that. So once again, let's demo all the knobs, and then I think we can find some suitable settings for this loop. Yeah. It bypassed. Sorry. Let's add odd harmonics first. As you can hear, the whole signal is like dropped a bit, and by gain compensation you can like push it up. Of course it's extreme setting, but anyway. Bypass. Let's check the even. and together like this. Of course, I know it's pretty dirty stuff, but anyway, let's also check what it does, because it totally like changed the whole picture. Once again. And maybe let's make it like this. And check once again. And let's bypass all of the modules. And bring in. Maybe let's change the compressor. Once again. Of course, I'm not mastering engineer, and I'm just a musician and designer in this company. But you know, we tweaked how we liked it, and of course, we can check other settings or other material how it works with like more live music. I mean, with drums, with maybe jazzy stuff, maybe bluesy or something like that. It's suitable not to the electronics, but for the any kind of music. Okay, let's wait a bit. So right here we have like pretty pure, pretty pure stuff. Let's bring it to +6, and so as you can hear, we bring this oomph to the lows. Actually, I like it. Let's maybe tweak some tops or mids. So more pronounced snare in 5K range. Okay, once again, maybe it's too extreme for the high boost, but it works just fine for me. It like make it shiny and bright.
Maybe with attenuation.
Yeah, maybe with attenuation. Around this point, yeah? Yeah, the levels pretty the same, so once again. More beefy, more oomphy, more clear, you know. I think I don't need to describe the results. So let's move to the compression. Let's start from the early beginning. Pretty light settings. But anyway, it's too much. That's too much. And maybe let's put it a bit further. With 4, with quick release. Yeah, like that. And of course, saturation. So before and after. Yeah.
Next demo.
I don't know. Maybe you wanna say something about the system. I don't know. We can review it on kind of other materials, like what do you have actually?
Maybe some techno stuff or
sorry. Before you load it, let's bring. Let's try to bring the volume, I mean loudness to the. Let's push the loudness a bit with the same peak level. Of course, it's too much. Yeah, sounds louder to my ears, definitely. And one more example, maybe. Yeah.
we have a techno stuff.
Techno. I thought we have enough techno for the day, but okay. Oh, it's clipped.
So,
Okay. Oh, thanks. So maybe I have some feedback on that. What like you heard?
Questions?
Yeah, any questions maybe before you?
Equaliser, so you can just boost, like just
Yeah.
frequencies, or can you also cut?
Yeah, of course you can.
Take them away, like when you go left.
Right here we have, as I said, we have separate controls for boost and cut. In total we have okay. In total we have like 4 knobs and 4 frequencies for these knobs. And by this we can boost low shelf, and by this we can cut with low shelf, and achieve that pull tech trick when you boost like some subs and and make it deep in the higher frequencies. And for high frequency boost we have like peak and once again shelf for high frequency attenuation. and that's it. Yeah, and the only difference in controls that we have some specific frequency range, and we decided to separate low boost and cut for the boost and cut frequency. Sorry, yeah, and that's the only difference. But as I said previously, it had totally different. It has totally different topology, and instead of inductors and tubes, which brings actually brings a lot of noise, we decided to switch them to the discrete op-amps for in and out. Yeah. So the last one, yeah.
Yeah, this.
Okay. Okay. Could you please bring? Oh, okay. That's yeah, that's fine. Once again, push all the settings to 0. Maybe mids. Or maybe highs. Compression. So maybe let's make it pump to the kick and because we love the pumping of this kind of music, yeah. And saturation. Let's go crazy. And then let's clear the subs and then pretty saturated signal, but I like it. And more area and more boxing. Once again, maybe extreme. So yeah, I think we We reviewed all what we have for now, and let's switch to question answers section. Maybe you want to ask about how much for the system, you mean, or for each module? Okay. Yeah. Okay, okay. Maybe you can correct me, but as far as I remember, this one, why 150 euro, 150 euro, 150 euro, just for the utilities. And then for Ember, right now, it's for the 449. Yeah, and it's still 449. And for these two, for 499 each. Yeah. So 499 for each unit. Yeah. And for the whole system, which no, this is sorry, without VAT. Yeah, without VAT. Yeah, that's the prices without VAT. Around, yeah. Because you know we. Because you know we sell our devices not only Europe but also in USA, and you know it's like no tax prices. Yeah. And unfortunately, the whole system is not available in the shops, but maybe in the future we will start to sell it as it is. And we think the price with the case, with the whole package, I mean all the stuff that you see right now, and with the, actually, yeah, I forgot to say, we made our own cables, and I don't know, maybe you are familiar with Eurorack cables, and I think this is just another level because it's shielded, it's high quality, and it's suitable for this application. I mean, you have no hums and stuff like that, no crosstalk and stuff like that. And with all of that, and with power, I mean this power brick, it how much? 2000 something, yeah. Like around 2000, yeah. Yes, I don't know yet, but maybe yes. Yeah. Any other questions?
I have a question. We have the G-bus compressor.
Oh, yeah.
There.
Eurobus.
You have a 5 notes.
Which? What do you have?
Audio scale.
Oh, I don't know about that.
But it don't have a driver.
We have 6 knobs, yeah, and also, as I said, sidechain high pass and external sidechain, like additional function, and bypass. I don't know. I don't know the module. Sorry, I can compare them. You can bring it to me and let's.
I have a question. Why, when you add the harmonic, the signal is
I want to kindly ask Timur to yeah to describe the behavior, because I'm not a technician. So bring it back. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I don't know what question.
Why the signal became lower when you add harmonics?
Oh, it's not.
Yeah,
okay.
see, it's nice to see you here. Yeah.
It's not
Thanks.
more famous saturation if you use diodes or tubes
Or FET transistors.
yes.
Yeah.
We create a very unique circuit, and we influenced on VCA, with CV signal with this modulation, which
In specific
so-
circuits creates, as you can see, ordinary harmonic. And somehow, as I understood, it influences the basic harmonic.
yeah,
Like,
yes.
for example, if you put here 1000 kilohertz and push, like, for example, odd and even to the max, you'll see that you, as far as you bring all harmonics up,
On
the basic, I mean 1000 kilohertz, will push down. So, yeah, that's how it works for now. It's like specific circuit behavior. Yeah.
yeah.
And actually, a good question, because I forgot to say that instead of driving signal, boosting and driving signal, like with tubes, with transistors, with diodes when they started to clip, yeah,
And boost noise.
yeah, and boost also noise of input signal. We only bring the harmonics up instead of boosting the whole signal. So that's how we achieved this low noise. Yeah. Yeah. Easy. More questions, maybe? Don't be shy, guys. Maybe you wanna try it out. Maybe you wanna like kinda tweak some knobs. Easy. It's totally analog. Sorry, it's fully analog system. Yeah. Okay. To be specific, the signal pass is fully analog, but for example, for switches and for LEDs, of course, we have like digital control, but it have no influence to the like signal at all. Yeah, it's fully analog. And as I said, instead of once again, instead of integral chips, we used in some specific areas we used discrete schemes. Yeah, to make it more analog. Yeah. 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 So that's it.